Alrighty guys, so we've been working on the coaster and we've changed some things. So as you can see, here's our first change. It's an aesthetic change right here. We installed a robot, it's themed. And then, so we really haven't changed much, but instead of connecting two beams, we decided to take all four of those main beams out and replace them with longer beams, just so we don't have to have a area of connection that's kind of like less strong. So right now, we just reattached everything, so now it's taller, 6 feet taller than it was. It's really tall, kind of terrifying. Put the scaffolding right in the middle of it, and we've just been working on it, reattaching everything. So you'll see the time lapse of that, and I'll keep you guys posted. I've also got all of my friends here that have barely helped, but some of them have.
There's a frog. Get him.
It's a frog. Hello, what's his name?
What was his name?
Eduardo. Say hello to the video, Eduardo.
Jumps at it. Is he capturing it? Jumps at it.
Yeah.
He's like crying for help. He's like, please send help.
So we got Luke, Travis, Trevor, Francis, Logan, Christopher, Trevor, too. My dad, and then the others are somewhere. They've been rutting up the yard, the motorcycles. Travis, why would you bring your motorcycle here? Look how rutted up it is now. It's disgusting.
Because you want to ride it. And you haven't rode it yet. You're like, I'm the favorite motorcycle. You're like, yeah. You're like, yeah, bring it. Bring it.
The best part is when you get bored while working on the big roller coaster, you just get on the smaller one and ride it. It's that simple. Here we go. Whee! Ah! Hey, I lived. Oh, do not do this at home. I repeat, do not do this at home. Okay, well, when you get back, this is going to be 200 feet tall. Excited? Here comes Titan. All right, we got it up. 16 feet, fully supported up to there. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Wow, okay. Here, Andrew, come stand next to it. It's really, really, really tall. Like, Andrew looks like an ant compared to it. Show it off. Yeah. Wow. This is what we got accomplished in one day. Took out all those 10 footers, replaced them with 16, added 2 angles on each side, and then added 4 around, and put the scaffolding right in the middle. It's gonna be awesome when it's done. Hopefully the tower will be completely finished next weekend, and we'll work on it the best we can.
I built this.
Oh wow.
All of it.
What?
He didn't build any of it. None of it.
How'd you build it?
With our hands.
Oh, you helped?
Yes, sir.
Wood and nails.
How much did he help?
He didn't help it. I did the
About
whole
5%.
thing. I did the whole thing.
I'm getting two different arguments.
I did the whole thing.
You did the whole thing?
Yeah.
Who can vouch for that?
Me?
What do you say?
Francis can vouch, right?
Did
No.
Andrew help build this?
I sourced the parts.
Not at all.
Did you help build this?
Yes.
Did he help build this?
Francis is a meth cook. Definitely. Alright, I'm gonna go now. So, I'll see you guys
Cameron,
later.
goodbye. All right, so now we're just working on building the platform. They're just hammering in the joist braces right now. We got this beam in. We got it all squared around for the platform. We also got the ladder in, as you can see right here. Exciting stuff, exciting stuff. We're working on the bracing for the platform, and just when we're done with these, we're gonna bring those planks in. We're gonna run them right over, and then that'll be our platform. And then we have to surround the outside with 2x6s around the outer side, and then we'll work on the railing, and then we're done with the tower.
Yeah.
Maybe, hopefully today, maybe not. We'll find out.
Whoever shows up.
If Johnny could just hammer faster, even though he's
Bro,
the best one of
I'm
us
the
all.
fastest one.
Yeah, by far.
He's still on his third.
He's, you can do it. It's okay. We believe in you, Kyle.
I haven't hammered in a long time, okay?
Uh-huh. This thing is quite the height. There's the shop. This is really tall. It's gonna be pretty exciting. We should jump in the pool from here. It's 3.5 foot deep.
Literally everything he said was no. We should jump in the pool.
We should jump in the pool.
Kyle, what should we do?
Jump in the pool.
Amen.
All right, ready? I'm gonna jump.
What should we do?
Yeah, let's go. Okay, here I go. Ah! Look at the skyline to this amusement park. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. Beautiful. It's like Hollywood Nights, but at my house. No forest though. All right. Kyle, you can do it.
I was doing good on the ones on this side, but now I'm at an
Kyle, you
angle.
can do it.
You're like lightning. Every
Mine's
strike
like
is
flicker.
deadly, but you strike never in the same spot.
Yeah, you did it.
He had the
Woo!
neck like this. He was trying to go like.
I was trying to get my initial
Holding the
pass in.
neck of the hammer.
I was trying to line
It's
that-
not going in.
I don't know why it's not going in. I did censor this now. Whoa, that's how you hammer.
No, this is not going.
Okay, well, we'll be back whenever one of us falls over and breaks their legs or something like that. Alrighty, so we built most of the platform and then realized we need 2 more planks of wood. Whoopsies. We've got our platform supports all put in. We've got our platform itself mostly put in. The scaffolding needs to be taken apart now because it's kind of in the way. Kyle's gonna jump in the pool now. Whoa! Splash. I have to keep backing up because you still can't see him.
Social distancing.
Yeah, this is how you social distance right here, kids. Yeah, this thing, it's not going anywhere. Texas tornadoes, try me. Try me.
Watch it come through and it rip it out of the ground.
I also fixed the original coaster for like the billionth time. Put some new wood in, more screws. Had to add the first piece of new wood on the cart in 3 years. Never had to put a new piece of wood on it. New seat, because the last one died. And it's now reversed. For the 2020 season, we reversed our coaster.
Hey.
Take a spin on that one. Oh yeah, I also I supported the end more as well. It's no longer the most sketchy part of the ride. Here, oh, it's wet over here. Ah! It's getting old, but these 2 angles used to just not be here, and it would, every single time someone would come up here, the thing would just lean severely to the right if you're facing the coaster. But now it doesn't do that. So no one will hopefully get hurt on the original. Are you gonna make it all the way?
I will make it.
This should be part of American Ninja Warrior.
For real, oh crap. Yeet.
It's over there in the Jeep listening to Travis's subwoofer. There we go. Just kick him.
Oh, I made it. See, that's why it needs to come back here.
Yes. Oh, it's wet. Oh no. Ah, ah.
Bro, it's gonna go so far up this. Bro, catch me. Oh gosh. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go for it. All the way back. All the way back.
here's me standing on the platform. This is what you can see at head height, way above the shop. And there's Johnny riding the coaster again. Well, that ends this weekend of construction. Got most of the platform in, just gotta do the railing, finish the platform, put some track up there, and then the tower is completed.
Yes, sir!
I'm ready to ride the world's most thrilling backyard coaster that's not Blue Flash.
And right now, Marshall is gonna go learn how to do a backflip.
Oh, I didn't sign up for this.
Excited.
Let's go.
No, I didn't. Ah!